Hi Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is your August the 29th to the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung hindi nyo naman po siya maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Aquarius, magsimula na tayo. So ang nakikita natin dito, Aquarius, parang hindi natin alam kung either mabibigyan ba tayo ng chance, mabibigyan ba tayo ng pag-asa nito ni person, no? I think that we are emotionally invested with our person. I believe that yung baka nga iniisip natin, mas mahal natin siya kaysa sa mahal niya tayo, or mas binibigyan natin siya ng halaga kaysa mas binibigyan tayo ng halaga. You're not going to ask all of this if you are receiving the same energy that your person is giving you. Actually, meron ka naman nakuha dito, but it felt like to me it's not the same level, no, as you are giving your person. Um, I think that you already made an oath, no, to yourself na eto na yung taong para sa akin. Eto na yung taong bibigyan ko ng or aalayan ko ng aking puso. Or probably doon sa mga in a relationship, or kahit hanggang din sa mga crushes, no, I'm seeing myself, growing old with this person or karelasyon itong taong to. And so far, wala na akong nakikitang ibang tao, no, sa aking paligid kundi siya lang, no. With the Ace of Cups, ayun. So, ang nakikita natin dito parang ang ating nagiging blockage is all of this, pwede natin sabing overthinking, doubts, no? Kasi, bakit hindi na lang natin i-express? Expressions can be in many forms, no? You can use arts. Actually, art is part of expression, di ba? You can, mga singers, di ba? They are expressing what they are feeling, feelings through music, no, sa pagkanta. Dancers as well, they may not be very vocal, but through actions, no, they can interpret, no. Painters, ayan, they can express themselves through their artwork, their canvases, no, sketches. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, ang naging hadlang is parang I am sitting and thinking of all of these beautiful things inside my head, pero hindi, kulang ako sa gawa, no, or kulang ako sa efforts, no. Siguro we are very dreamy. No wonder kasi ang dalawang cards na ito so far ang nakikita ko, no, baka kasi meron tayong water placement sa ating chart, or baka si person, no, kung binabasahan ko, kung ang binabasahan ko ngayon si person. By the way, you can search the energies, no. I may be reading this for Aquarius or for your person, no. What I am reading actually is the dynamic, no, yung nangyayari sa inyo. So, yeah, water placement tends to often be dreamy, especially Pisces, no? Um, they actually love so much wherein sometimes they forgot, sometimes, hindi palagi, well, most of the times, mm, but not always. Sorry ha, kasi water placement ako. I'm trying to defend. Um, yung parang sinasabi natin na mas maganda kasi yung nangyayari sa isip namin kesa sa nakikita namin in reality. So parang we tend to live, no, doon sa magagandang bagay na nangyayari sa isip instead of sometimes na um, we need to do the work in this 3D. Ayan. With the Six of Wands and the Chariot. See, I told you, buong buo ang water placement. Sorry, dapat huli ko tong ginagawa pero I'm just trying to make a point. So this is Cancer card, Scorpio card, Pisces card. Welcome to the club. So here's the thing, no? Para kasing nararamdaman naman ni person itong ah sabihin nating intention mo, feelings mo, pero kasi siguro si person or si Aquarius, no? Mas maganda sana kung naririnig niya at nakikita, no? Si Aquarius kasi is more on facts, no? Ayoko yung nag-a-assume. Yun, ang kay Aquarius. Sinasabi niya dito, ayoko maging pilingera, di ba? So if that's how you feel, tell me and prove it to me. It goes both ways kasi when it comes to Aquarius, not only may mga ideology kasi si Aquarius na talk is cheap, no? If you're just saying it and I'm not seeing action, then I'm not going to believe it. And when I am seeing action without, you verbalizing it, I don't want to assume. So again, it goes both ways. With the Nine of Pentacles and the Four of Wands. So, masaya naman ang relationship somehow. Siguro, ang nagiging issue dito is more of the misunderstanding. More of I don't want to assume. More of um, I know what you want, but I don't want to preempt. No, I don't want to baka sabihin mo dinidiktahan kita. No, sinasabi ko sa'yo kung ano yung gagawin. And mas masarap sa feeling yung you're doing it your own, no? Kasi baka sabihin mo, yun nga, pinipilit-pilit kita, no? With the Page of Wands, the Six of Cups, the King of Wands, and the King of Swords. So, I think na medyo lumamlam itong sabihin nating efforts, no, ni person. And sabi naman dito ni Aquarius, nami-miss ko yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin dati, 'no? Nami-miss ko yung kung paano tayo nagsimula, kung yung pinupuntahan natin itong lugar na ito, 'no? Kung paano ka or kung gaano ka ka-sweet sa akin dati, 'no? Um, King of Wands and King of Swords. So, I think that both of you have different ways of love language. Puwedeng yung isa verbal, puwedeng yung isa, ah through action, no? Kasi King of Swords is through words, King of Wands is through actions. Um, or it goes, pwede rin kasi King of Wands is through voice, and King of Swords is through actions. One thing for sure, na you may not be on the same page when it comes to love language. So ang pinaka bottom line dito, no, Aquarius, is the misunderstanding probably is the main issue, no, in this. Um, Doon sa kulang sa gawa, start to take action, no? Walk the walk, talk the talk, no? Yun nga. So, don't just preach, but also do what you preach, no? Let's check the emotion. Our love will never cease to exist, and I need your help, or I need you to help me. So this is a strong manifestation of there is misunderstanding to both of you, no? Kasi sinasabi dito ni person, or sinasabi nyo sa isa't isa, hindi kita maintindihan. Mahal kita pero sana nagkakaroon tayo ng isang path, no? Or yung goal naman kasi nandoon, baka iba lang yung dinadaanan natin. So sana nando tayo sa isang journey, no? Huwag tayong magkanya-kanya, no? May kanya-kanya tayong paksyon. So let's check here, Aquarius, the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Leo. So katulad ng sabi ko, water placements are here: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Sagittarius. Yan. So this is your reading. And para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po yan sa Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Aquarius, kilalang kilala nyo po ang inyong sarili, no? Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dito po sa description box sa video na ito, meron po siyang link ng aking website. Click that link. Ang unang bubungad sa inyo is yung question form. So, hindi po siya kasya sa screen, ibaba nyo lang ng konti. May mga QR codes po doon. Sa QR codes, nakalabel naman po siya how much per question, the name, the number. Singit ko lang to. Just because I posted the number doesn't mean that you can call me anytime naman po, no? There's reason why I placed the number there. First, for transaction purposes, for those who wants to use yung mga e-wallets, no? Second, kaya po hindi, madami naman pong ways on how to reach out to me, no? Inbox, DMs, PMs, comment section, emails, no? The question form per se, no? Bago po kayo tumawag. Third, iba na po kasi yung aking body clock. So as you can see, it's 2:20. That's actually AM, no? Saturday. 2:20 AM. So, konti lang po yung tulog natin. Madami po tayong ginagawa. Videos, editing, we also have legal battles doon sa mga fake accounts, plus yung mundane work. Ayan. Third, magkaroon po tayo ng etiquette dahil kahit nga po kaibigan natin, hindi tayo basta pwedeng tumawag, di ba? Magpapasintabi po tayo na okay bang tumawag ng ganitong oras, no? Fourth, baka po kasi katulad nito, nagvi-video tayo, bigla kayong tumawag, pag in-entertain ko, nung nasa kalagitnaan ako ng video, maputol, makakalimutan ko kung nasaan na ako. Sayang yung time kasi I need to make another video. Sayang naman, no? So, doon po muna kayo sa mga question forms. Going back, no, kung meron po akong ginawa doon na 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. Discounted na yung 4 question, meron pa po siyang libreng isang question. So, if you want to book also a private reading or this personal reading, check na lang po yung QR codes. Ayan. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto niyo sumali sa ating raffle, no, all you need to do is to report those fake accounts and then take a screenshot, send it to the designated email. Dun po sa email na yun, bubuno tayo ng winner for the free, no, reading. Ayan. Marami din po tayong videos na hindi po pinopost dito sa YouTube dahil nakakalat po siya sa ibang social media accounts. Especially if you still care about your ex, no? Meron po tayong tinatawag na X-Files na nandun lang po siya sa Facebook. No, kung hindi nyo mahanap, pinapadali ko ng buhay ha. Sa question form po, may mga icons po or logo ng mga social media accounts. Click nyo lang kung saan nyo gusto. Much better kung follow nyo lahat. No? Dadali na kayo agad. Kung Facebook logo, click nyo yon, dadali na kayo agad dun sa Facebook. So, this is your reading, Aquarius. Love and light. Namaste. See you po no, sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of